Give him something that he can do, that he's good at, that makes you feel good. It shifts his focus, allows him to relax, and then perhaps the erection will come back. You know, men go through periods of time where they lose their erection. It happens to all men. And if this happens to your partner, what you can do is you can say, you know, is there something I can do? It's okay. And then shift the focus to doing other things. Don't stop the action. It really makes a guy feel really badly about himself, that the whole thing has become a failure. And you don't want sex to become a success or failure endeavor. It's really about connecting and having fun. So another thing you can do is say, hey, why don't you touch my shoulder? Give him something that he can do, that he's good at, that makes you feel good. It shifts his focus, allows him to relax, and then perhaps the erection will come back. If your partner actually has a series of times when he loses his erection, then that's something different. And that's when we start calling it erectile dysfunction, when it happens more and more frequently. And what happens here is a lot of guys might avoid sex completely with you. So what you can do is say, hey, I noticed that we haven't been intimate. Let's start by just taking intercourse off the table, and let's start being sensual with each other. Then, later on, if you'd like, you can say, hey, you know, why don't we go to a doctor together, or why don't you go see somebody, because I know we can fix this together.